What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are with this beautiful smart hashtag 5, but we're not alone. We are with Quincy, bro, man. What's up, man, dude? It's good to have you back.
Oh, no worries,
bro.
mate.
Tell us a little bit, man, dude. What color is this, man, dude?
Okay, so this is a new smart hashtag 5 color. It's only available only in the hashtag 5 premium variant. We call it the Saturn Beige.
Saturn Beige, guys.
Yes, it's a matte finishing color. You can feel it right here.
These are matte finish, guys. As you can see, the reflection is not 100%, but yeah, clearly you can see it is a beautifully matte finish. And again, it's called Saturn
Beige.
Saturn Beige, guys. Beautiful. Check out the front lights, man, dude. Now, I noticed the Brabus spec had these wordings in gloss black.
Correct.
But in this case, these are in like gunmetal kind of a...
Somewhat like a gunmetal.
Very nicely done, guys. Check it out how it blends in super well with the satin beige. Beautiful touch, man, dude. Check out the daytime running lights that are on it together with the main headlights down here, man. Beautiful touch, dude. Now, I understand this car is a bit boxy.
Yes,
very
it is boxy, futuristic, and oblong.
Oblong shape all over the place. Yes, there's a lot of oblong
There's so
shapes
many
happening
oblong.
all over
You
the
got
place.
the headlamps oblong, you got your side mirror caps oblong. There's many more oblong inside the car.
Inside the car as well.
Later we get back.
Cool, man. So the front lips right here, I understand they don't have that red lining, but it's a very cleaned up design. I love how that satin stuff happening over here, different kind of texture. You got the matte finish right here, you got these black ones right here, number plate goes there. Air intake goes down here to cool down the battery
Yes,
for the
sir.
car. And also the side air vents have openings left and right. So beautiful touch for this, man, dude. Absolutely beautiful. Now, I also understand there's storage in front here as well, in
Yes.
here. So we will check that out later. But in the meantime, let's check out the wheels, man, dude.
Yes.
Now, the beautiful part about these wheels is that they have
Somewhat
center
like
cap.
a Rolls-Royce technology, but however, it's not similar as Rolls-Royce, but almost similar. So how is it almost similar? Whereas Rolls-Royce is actually magnetized, where this is all weighted down.
Okay.
So however you drive, it felt like a, I like to say like a googly eye. So if you actually speed fast enough, you can see it rotate a little bit.
So cool. So these smart logos, you can actually see it stand, be upright just like that.
Yes,
So
even though the car is driving.
cool, man. It has a very, very unique look, bro. So these are using Continental tires and it's 255 45 R20. So same wheel size for the back also,
Yes, sir. But however, I'm not sure you get the same Continental with the production car.
Okay,
but as this is a
understand.
pre-production car, so it's just for the sake of, for today's event.
For today's event. Okay, cool. So again, it's pre-production, so you may get differences in the
Higher
future
brands,
models, but very slight differences. But yeah, in the meantime, solid disc brakes, you're getting brake calipers right there. So the wheel design could be this.
It is this.
It is this. Okay, cool. Very nice indeed. So you get some design-like element over here. I love that. You get your side mirrors designed this way, and also you get blind spot assist also right there. Beautiful indeed. This chrome lining is also available on...
Yes, it is available.
Okay, so you get this chrome satin kind of design like all over the ring of the car. Your top part here, is it the maintaining the same color or is it going to be...
Maintain the same color.
Yeah, okay, cool, man. The guys, check that out.
Yes, so just for
Check
your
the top out.
information, if those who like to put on this top loader, it can actually fit up to 100 kilograms.
You can put 100 kilograms right on top of the car.
Yes.
Guys, that is fantastic, bro. Okay, so let's take a look at the inside, man, dude. So I
Yes.
understand that this is a pre-production car, as you mentioned. So I believe the interior will not be brown.
Yes.
It will be in black. Okay, cool. So it's still leather, there's no fabric, but it's going to be in black. Okay, cool, bro.
So, given that this production is will be round, production car would be black, but however, it still maintain the open pore wood over here.
The open pore, like kind of like wood finishing, lah. Very, very nice, guys. You got to be here to feel it and to see it in person. Heated and cooling
Heated and
also will
cooling.
be available as well. Beautifully done. So again, the button, you put your thumb right here to open up the doors, your window to wind up and wind down, compartment storage down here. Sennheiser again.
Sennheiser
So
again.
Sennheiser sound system in your car. How many speakers, bro? This one?
20 speakers.
20 speakers in the smart hashtag
5.
5. But then you're looking at also, you have another model which is called the, this is called
Premium variant.
Premium, and then there's another which is called
Brabus variant.
Brabus variant. So there's only 2 in Malaysia market?
Currently, dated at 24th August, so far it's only 2
Only
variants.
cool, only cool. Okay, cool. That's cool, man. So bro, man, you're quite tall. Would you like to be sitting
Yes,
in the
yes,
front
yes, yes. I
passenger
think
seat
that's,
to show
that's what
the
all the audience want to
viewers?
know also.
Cool, man. That's awesome, bro. So man, as you can see, bro, what's your height, man, Quincy?
193 cm, but in terms of foot, 6'3".
Awesome, bro, man. So he is super tall, but at the same time, check out the space that he's occupying. He's comfortably sitting. The headroom is fantastic. You get an amazing glass roof on top. And yeah, he has a screen that is dedicated personally for him alone. And he can choose to swipe things from here to there if he wishes to. And yeah, maybe you can just swipe one right now,
Okay,
just a
for
simple
example,
move. Yeah, right there. And the screen just goes over there. So this is if you're playing music and whatnot, where you can just head it over to the driver for him to change the music if he wishes to. Beautifully done. So positive sign events are for the bigger,
The enlarged vents.
enlarged vents, enlarged vents. So the negative ones are
the minimalized.
the minimalized vents. So awesome, man, dude. So beautiful touch. I like how the screen has all these sort of like lines that are happening all over the car. So you can see at least there's this two-tone finish. Some sort of gunmetal color all over the car. Beautiful. The smart wording lights up.
Yes.
This is lighted up also as well. So beautiful touch. You got your lumbar support over there. Seat adjustments are over here. Beautiful touch. I can imagine the black with the brown.
Yes.
Very nice indeed. Awesome, bro. So yeah, let's check out the rear to show the guys how it's looking like. So the smart wording will still be here.
Will still be there.
As well, but in silver color.
Somewhat a silver.
Yeah, somewhat silver color.
Sorry
Cool,
guys,
man.
I'm a guy, so silver is silver, any shade of silver, I don't know.
Okay, cool, man.
One thing I forgot about saying about the front, but effectively all our door glass are double
Guys,
insulated.
check that out, man, dude. These are double glazed glass that you get on all four
All four windows.
windows, man, dude. Beautiful, beautiful touch. Okay, bro, man. So check out the rear. You got your Sennheiser speakers right there with the lights, guys. Check that out. Sennheiser speaker down here. You got your compartment storage down here. Button to press to open up the door right here. Window up and down. Again, the wooden texture that you beautifully have right here. And imagine this in black. So once the car in the future is available here, perhaps we can come back here to do another walk around to show you guys. But in the meantime, bro, how do we open up the charging cap, man?
Alright, so everything is all electronic controlled. You just have to dab this part of the, what I call this, charging port over
Okay,
here.
so you press that, automatically it just slides open, guys. Check that out. So these are AC as well as they have the DC, guys. So what's the DC charging on this? It's about
400 kilowatt,
400 kilowatt, guys. For a car like this, you get 400 kilowatt. And also AC, this car can do
22 AC.
22 AC, man, dude. Beautiful. I love how they have that smart logo right up here. Beautiful touch. So to close it back, how do we do that, bro?
Just dab the icon over here.
And check that out, man, dude. Amazing touch indeed. So, bro, man, again, you're tall. Would you like to
okay.
jump in and have a look to show the viewers how
Okay.
comfortable you are
So,
sitting?
This setting, the front seat setting was my last setting where I sat in the front earlier. So this is what I get.
Okay, cool,
6'3"
man. Dude.
against 6'3".
Guys, check that out, man, dude. Legroom is just nice. He can still move his legs all over the place, but bro, Quincy, show them how you can make this become a boss seat, bro.
All right.
Like, how do you do that?
So from the side button here, you just press the button far back over here. Sorry, I can't see it.
Okay,
Okay, one push your button, everything's all done for you.
check that out, man. The seat is moving forward by itself, but of course, if somebody is sitting in front, the seat will not move by itself. You gotta get down from there for it to actually move. But dude, the rear right now, since this is a 5-seater, automatically makes the rear passenger look super, super comfortable and classy, bro. I like what's going on here, dude. Damn, bro. And you got amazing light coming through the top glass roof.
Yes,
On
sir.
top of that, there's a shade that can cover it. We will try and do that later. But yeah, you got your smart wording lighted up right there. Beautiful touch indeed, bro. Amazing. So
And
just
also-
imagine the interior in black. Yeah,
Okay,
cool.
so given this is a boss, what you call this, a boss seat or more to cater to whoever the bosses is.
Okay.
Effectively, we have this artificial intelligence. You can actually control all the way back here just by voice assistant.
I see. Try, bro. Go ahead.
Hello, Smart.
How can I help?
Close sunroof blinder.
Guys, check that out. Quincy just used his voice, and yeah, wherever he's sitting, it can control, right? Because it can detect where your location where you're sitting through the voice.
Yes.
And then yeah, you can actually tell it to wind. If you tell it to wind down the window, it wind downs that particular specific window without even saying which window.
Effectively,
just
yes.
because where you are at. So beautiful touch,
So,
man, dude.
just for a
Yeah.
clear example, I'm just going to close the door here.
Cool.
I'm going to say something really generic. Hello, Smart. Hello, Smart.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Wind down my window.
Okay.
Guys, check that out.
So if I were the other side of the passenger side,
Okay. Let's go to the other side.
hello, Smart.
How may I help you?
Wind down my window.
Okay.
Dude. This is so cool, man.
Very interactive.
Okay, nice, bro. Okay, bro, let's get down. But just check out the amazing seat design, bro. You know, like earlier, Quincy sat right there, and the front passenger seat just moved forward. You got your data transfer USB right there, together with your Type C for charging. You got some storage happening right there. You got your air vents located right there. Now these ones also can pop down. Let me try and do that. Cup holder located right here, and also you get some additional storage to store inside right there. So beautiful touch indeed, guys. So let's jump to the rear, man. Dude, what
Sure,
are we
no
looking at,
problem.
dude? Yeah, this
Okay.
side in terms of wow, man.
So this is effectively an older sibling for the Smart Hashtag 1, Hashtag 3. So now the Smart Hashtag 5
Okay.
will have a bigger boot space.
Guys,
and I
check that
believe
out.
I left a golf bag
To
just
show you
enough.
guys. Yeah, man,
Just
dude.
enough.
Guys, these are with the golf bags all the way in, and I believe, yeah, the clubs are not in, right?
The clubs are in.
The clubs are in, guys. Yeah, I
Clubs
can
are
feel
in.
it. I can feel it right here. So
Yeah, but
it's
however,
right there. It is
yeah.
right there, guys. Check that out.
All the golf clubs over here.
Yeah, the golf clubs are in, guys. They are in right there, and it fits perfectly. Just nice. Check that out. Beautiful. So you can fit a golf bag in a Smart Hashtag 5. Beautiful touch indeed. So cool, man, dude. So we're not going to fold down the rear seats for this, because you can check out the other video to find out the storage space for the rear boot with the seats folded down, following this and following this. So you get a shade to cover the top if you don't wish to have anyone seeing anything from this glass all the way down here. So you can pull that down, push that back. The railing can come off to be stored down there, which we are not going to do today, but just so you guys get a better view of what space this car can offer you. It's beautiful, guys. Now, number plate goes right there. Got a 360 camera right here. Sensors located all the way at the rear. So beautiful touch indeed. You got your LED lights over there. Now let's close the boot once more to show them how beautiful it looks, man, dude.
Push of a
For
button.
this. So we close that back. Check that out, man, dude. Golf bag is perfectly fitted right in. Check out the rear. The rear lights, beautiful touch. I love all these LEDs that are all over the place in this oblong shape. Hashtag 5 badging on the left side right here. You got your reverse light located somewhere there. I
Yes,
believe.
that will be
Yeah.
the reverse light. So, okay, so the Hashtag 1 and Hashtag 3, the reverse light is only favor on the left side.
Okay.
The Hashtag 5 on both sides right now.
Ah, I see. Okay, that's quite nice. That's very nice indeed, bro. Okay, cool, man. So yeah, so I believe we can jump into the driver's seat to show them how beautiful the driver's side looks like. So just imagine this, guys, brown. Just imagine it in black. That's about it. So cool. Thanks, bro. So this is me sitting right at the front driver's seat. So you have your leather wrapped steering wheel all over the place right here, and you get this green stitching right on the inside right here. Beautiful touch also as well. You get your smart wording lighted up on your steering, guys. I mean, like, how often do you get a lighted up wording at your steering wheel while you're driving, guys? It's beautiful touch. Smart logo right here. Some adjustments happening over here for the main screen. This side right here is for your cruise control, for your driving. You got your drive selector right here. P for parking, got to push right in. You got your wiper adjustments over here together with your lighting, guys, down here. So these are for your signal and whatnot, not really your main lights. So kind of cool, man, dude. Air vents here, the lightings can adjust as well.
sir.
Man, dude, awesome, bro. So you got a beautiful screen right here that shows you all your details that you need. But what's fantastic is that your driving mode that you can switch is from here, guys. From here, you got your sport, you got your comfort, you got your eco happening all over here, guys. So what's the guy's name again, dude?
Leo. The horoscope, Leo.
So you got a Leo right there, man. You got a Leo right there. And also, does Leo come over here sometimes?
No, only here.
Only here. Okay, so on the smart Brabos, I saw Leo over there. So maybe it's because of it's that car.
Yes,
So
the variant.
you get Leo popping up over there, dude. I like it, bro. I like they involve this zodiac elements
Yes.
in this car. Stunning, bro. Okay, so man, dude, what are we looking at right here? These are NFC chargers.
Yes,
both.
NFC chargers.
Okay, cool. And something about this right here is for the key card.
Yes. So in future, the first batch of custom will have a physical key fob and as well as an NFC card.
Cool.
So if you place your NFC card, I'm not too sure. Apparently, you can actually start the car with the NFC card also.
Cool, man. So with that, you can actually start driving off already, I believe. Yeah, very awesome indeed. So I believe sometimes, you see, they dedicated this, which is absolutely beautiful, because sometimes they share the NFC together with the key for the card and all this kind of stuff. So what happens is that they tend to charge their phone on top of the card while they do it. So that, from my case in the past, actually damaged the card where I come from.
Yes.
So This is a very good touch they did, how they divided it for you to charge and also for you to use one for that, or just remove your card and use one to charge your phone. Very nice indeed. You got your two cup holders right here, you got extra storage compartment down here. Beautiful touch indeed. Imagine all of this in black, but the wood trim remains beautiful, man, dude. So these will also be in black, guys. As you can see, there's a two-tone happening right here. Imagine it this color over here, blacked out. Very nice indeed. Beautiful touch. Now, bro, I understand these speakers actually pop up.
Yes.
Is that correct, man, dude? So
Okay, I'm just gonna play
the radio, yeah, anything would do, bro.
Okay, radio.
Check that out. Check that out, man, dude.
I'm gonna mute
so,
this.
man, that speaker just popped up by itself, guys. Sennheiser, you get your ambient lighting located down there, dude. Check that out. Can you see the light right there? Oh man, fantastic, bro. So when you're not listening to music, the thing just goes down. But when you activate it, your Sennheiser wording right there, Sennheiser speakers just pop right back up. So man,
Yes.
fantastic, bro.
And not given it's a 20 speaker, just to share with you, the car is actually equipped with Dolby Atmos.
Dolby Atmos, man. You got Dolby Atmos in a car like this, bro. I mean, dude, fantastic piece of art. I love what's going on. I love how it looks. But head-up display right over there, guys. You get head-up display also as well for this beautiful piece of art.
However, sorry, I have to like top up a little bit. With our head-up display, something not all car would have.
Okay.
We have this
AR mode.
augmented reality.
Augmented reality, guys. You got AR mode right here, you got 2D mode, and of course if you don't wish to have it, you can turn it off, man, dude. Amazing. So brightness and height, and also the angle, because you know not everybody has the same height, so you want to be looking at it differently. So right now I'm not sure if the camera can see it, but I can see 0 km/h right there on the screen. You got to be here to experience this in person, guys, with Quincy and the team.
Cheers.
And yeah, you guys can find out more details about this. But bro, man, Quincy, can you show the audience how the show mode is
okay.
like, man, dude? Yeah.
Right, just go into lights.
Lights.
You go to, I believe, external lights. So
External. Oh, welcome mode. Welcome light. No. Or is it like
the welcome lights.
welcome
Yes, there
light?
you go.
Show mode. Awesome, bro. Yeah, cool, man. So right there. So with him turning it on, I'm gonna get down to at least show people how it looks like, man, dude. So cool. I'm gonna leave that open, so at least then people know that I'm here to show you guys the welcome mode. So cool, man. Let's turn it on. But guys, check that out, man, dude. Love how it just waves from left to right, man. How it just moves from left to right. I love how that waving stuff is going on. Check that out. Check out in detail, man, dude. How it just appears. It doesn't like appear. It slowly, gradually lights up, and that's absolutely beautiful about this, dude. So the rear also looks stunning, I believe. Come on, man.
Yes.
Let's get on and take a look at the rear. Check that out, man, dude.
The
Dude,
Robocop.
my personal favorite about this car would be the lights. I love how these lights are actually designed. Check it out, man, dude. You gotta be here to see it in person, but for it to be waving around left and right like that, for your show mode, and then how on top of that you get all these amazing lights right here in a dedicated split. Absolutely beautiful, man, dude. So yeah, man, dude. Quincy, thank you so much, bro, once again.
Pleasure is
And
always mine.
yeah, so guys, if you'd like to find out more about smart cars or any other, in fact, the Brabus cars and whatnot, do head down to Eon at Glenmary, where you can locate the showroom right here. And of course, you can get in touch with Quincy and the team to find out more about their beautiful lined up cars that they have on display. So we have the Smart Hashtag 5 right here. We got the Brabus Smart Hashtag 5 Brabus right here. And also right behind there, we've got other models as well, together with the one right there, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.